Is that in there?
Go ahead.
Okay.
No.
Hi, I'm Jordan Jeske, and I'm going to be demoing Lab 9, and it's titled regiSter Bank and Shift Registers, and I have Lab Wednesdays at 12 p.m. And so for part 1, we'll go ahead and demo that first. And a little thing about part 1 is it's a register bank, so it's composed of 3 registers, a display, and a keyboard, and a decoder. And what it does is you can store different numbers in each of the registers, and then you can shift around the values and shift them to different registers. And you can also display what the register stored is on the display. And that's just about it. There's the decoder, which you have your in and your out inputs, and that basically tells the circuit which register the input should be going to and like where it should be going around the bank. And so we're going to go ahead and demo that. So we're going to go ahead first and load 1 into register 1. So that's going to be, so as you can see, there it is, 1 with the in at 0, 1 and the out at 0, 0. Then we're going to go ahead and show R1, and so what we do is we flip it, and so click it, and so the register displays 1. And then we're going to go ahead and store 2 in R2, so that's going to go ahead and go like this, and we'll go ahead and store 2. So there it is storing at 1, 0 for the in and 0, 0 for the out. And then we're going to go ahead and show that. So here it is. That's displaying what is in the register. And then we're going to go ahead and load 3 as 3. And so there we go at 1, 1 and 0, 1 for the in and out switches. And then we're going to go ahead and shift R1 to register the value in R1 to R3. So it's going to go 3, 1. So there it is. So R3 is now R1. So we can go ahead and double check that. And there it is. R3 is at 1 and the inputs are 0, 0, 1, 1 to display R3. Is that good? Are you clicking it still?
It's flashing up there. Is it off?
No, wait, all right, so we're going to go ahead and also demo part 2 of Lab 9. And in part 2, it's a shift register. And the shift register is made up of D flip-flops and then a 4-to-1 multiplexer. And basically what it does is you can load a number and it displays on the LEDs. And then you can go ahead and shift the numbers to the left and to the right, and you can also have a no change. And so we'll go ahead and start demoing it. So we're going to go ahead and load all, we're going to do all switches up. So as you can see, all the LEDs are up. So this is just loading it. And so the in switches are at 0, 0, and that allows you to load it. And then we're going to go ahead and shift it to the left 7 times. And in order to do that, we go ahead and change the in switches to 1 up, the least significant bit up. And when you go ahead and press the clock button, it goes ahead and shifts over. Boom. And then we're going to go ahead and shift it back to the right. And so for the right, we need to shift it with the most significant bit as 1. So then we can go ahead and click the clock, and then it goes ahead and shifts it to the right 7 times. And then 2 of the switches up for the loading, it's going to be a no change. So if you kick the clock, nothing happens. So that's part 2.